to get there, there's a walking bridge, longest pedestrian or walking bridge in the Southern Hemisphere. We're not doing that. Not a full metal jacket, but full metal road. That's the place you want to go if you want to go horse trekking at Whananaki along the beach. This is definitely loos over there. I think they're put there by the council just to stop people pooping in the sand. All I left off was my buff, so I felt like a bit of a rebel. She's not that bad. She's not bad at all. She's alright. Bumper. They met with this limestone. And I guarantee that if you haven't seen a limestone road before, and especially if it's wet, if you haven't seen a wet limestone road before, you won't know what to do when you're driving around on it. Because it's as slippery as a butcher's prick. I don't have zero fears, I just have zero fucks. I affectionately call it the Kawasaki Ferguson because it is a fucking tractor of a bike. So